Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, the iPhone could not be restored, an unknown error occurred, number 28. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing you need to check your um, Mac version. So if you have available updates maybe, so just go to App Store and just try to install the latest software on your laptop. So another thing you can try, just restart your laptop. So just tap on Apple logo, just choose restart and just submit restarting your computer. So another way you can try, just try to update your iPhone. So just unlock your device and just go to settings, just find here general, and in the general you need to find software update. So now just wait until it will check for update and you will be able for installing the latest software on your iPhone. So just install it and try to connect again to your laptop. So I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.